Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Coachmen Catalina 303 QBCK. If you find this video informative or helpful at all, please like and subscribe. Check this one out. We got the nice front cap here. We also got, this one's an aluminum sided trailer. Okay, this one's about roughly 33 feet, both tip to tip. We got a nice pass-through storage right here. Okay, pretty good size. You also got your shore power cord right there. This one comes with the awning, and what's cool about the Catalinas is that they also have those multi-LED lights going on at the top. So you can actually switch the colors to that, which is a really cool feature that they have on this one. This one is a bunkhouse, but before we go inside, let's take a look at this. So this one's really cool too, because let's check out this outdoor kitchen feature here. You got the grill, which is really, really nice here. You got the refrigerator. You even got the bottle opener there for your adult beverages. And you even got some storage compartments here. And it does come with this hose right here as well, so you can use that as you need it. Really cool rig. I really like this one. Probably the best bang for your buck on this Coachmen Catalina. This being a little bit longer, it's got a lot of cool features inside as well. So let's go and take a look. As you come in, you got your controls right there. Pretty simple, easy to read. Let's actually just come on inside. Okay, here's a little bit of the floor plan we got working here. We got the dinette, which is really nice, converts into a sleeping space. This one's a seamless dinette table, so there's no things that are gonna pop off. You also got this two-person couch right there, which does convert into another sleeping space. Okay, and in your kitchen right here, you got the nice refrigerator, both gas and electric, 6 cubic foot fridge. It's got the separation of the fridge and the refrigerator. Sorry, the freezer and the refrigerator. Microwave, 3-burner stove cooktop, and the oven here. Got a nice place for storage on the top. Sorry, that was not very, that was very fast. I want you to take a look at it. Okay, and then you also got this nice sink here as well, which does have the 2 sink covers. Okay, and it's the undermounted. It's not the overmounted one, so you don't have to worry about the caulking on the outside for this undermounted one, which is a good construction thing about this one. Nice sink you got going on here. You got the window as well. Cool. Let's go back towards the bunk area, which is the floor plan around this one, which is really cool. Take a look at this. So this one's primarily for kids' use. It's a little bit tighter, but it's also a lot nicer. You got the triple bunks, and you even got those comfortable sleeping spaces on the ground. The kids are gonna love it in here, honestly. You even have some places for storage right here. And there's, you could probably put a TV right in the back over here as well. Let's check out this bathroom that you got going on. Really nice square shower, lots of natural lighting in there. You got the removable nozzle for the shower. Nice toilet, just quite awesome. Okay, and then you also got well, you're you're igniting the stovetop. Okay, and as you come into the door, this is also the closet area. So if you want to put your shoes, extra things in there, you totally can, which is awesome. You also got this nice size TV here as well. And then you got a compartment for storage if you wanted to put some things in there. Radio, as well as the fireplace, which does keep you warm, or if you wanted to use it as ambiance, you can. And then more storage on the bottom there. Okay, let's come into the bedroom. This one's a queen size mattress, okay? You got some storage underneath as well, which is a good feature for this one. You also got your wardrobe closets there, and some storage on the top as well. Guys, if you like this rig or find it very informative, or this video very informative, feel free to give me a call, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Would love to talk to you. For now, happy camping.